Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete all Facebook photos at once. So let's dive right in. Unfortunately, Facebook's mobile app doesn't have a magic delete all button. But here are some methods to delete photos in bulk. Open the Facebook app and tap the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, select your profile. Tap Photos, and then Albums. You'll see a list of all the albums you've created or been added to on Facebook. Find the album you want to delete. Tap the 3 dots in the corner of the album thumbnail and choose Edit Album from the menu that pops up. Then tap on Delete Album. A confirmation window will appear asking you if you're sure you want to delete the album. Since deleted albums cannot be recovered, be absolutely sure you don't want any of the photos before tapping Delete. Repeat steps 4 and 5 for any other albums you want to clear out of your Facebook profile, and there you have it. By using this method, you can delete all Facebook photos at once. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.